Hey everyone, I'll show you how I quickly got the free $25 sign up bonus on Wealthsimple in Canada. This is still working as of March 2026. All I did is go to wsbonus.it.com and click the link here. Alternatively, you can type in wealthsimple.com/invite/_y024q. It'll automatically redirect you to the Wealthsimple website. You can register and then the bonus will be automatically applied. Remember that after creating your account, you do have to deposit at least $1 within 30 days of registering. I did this by just simply e-transferring myself $1 from my TD account. And within 10 minutes, I got the $25 bonus in my account. If you already created an account and haven't deposited anything, you can still claim the bonus. All you have to do is copy this referral code _Y024Q, click on the gift box and then enter the code. It's that simple. Like if this worked for you and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.